Hi, this is Rob with Paramount Construction. We are architects, builders, and developers. I want to show you a brand new model laid out on a beautiful, quiet lot at 4922 Earlston Road in Bethesda. This is our Krieger model, brand new Krieger model. So on the front elevation, we're showing the main entry door almost in the center of the building. We have a two-car garage with a metal roof overhang over the garage. We have an overhang over the entry. And then we have another repeating metal roof. This is going to be standing seam metal. And let's go take a look at the property. So the property boundaries is this outer dotted and dashed dark line. This is the property line. Then the buildable area is this lightly dashed line in here. And we have currently the the property shares a concrete driveway with the neighboring property. And there is a detached shared two-car garage that sits back here. We are going to leave this concrete driveway but we're going to get a brand new curb cut right in here. So we're going to add our own driveway to this property. And this shows where that driveway will be going. And when we look at the backyard, we have about 30 feet from the back of the porch, the back of the property line. So from the back of the nook, it's probably 38 feet. And then from this part of the house, it's probably 48 feet. So it's a pretty large backyard. We could easily put a swimming pool back here. And the lot is a walkout rear yard. So when you come out of the basement level, you're actually on grade, which means we can get a lot of nice natural light into the basement, so it will not feel like a basement. Let me show you the first floor. That's the second floor. Here's the first floor. So we're showing 1,530 square feet on the main level. We come into the foyer. We have a living room study on the right, really good size room. And then we come back. The stair is off to the side of the house. And the nice thing about that is when a stair is on the outside wall, we can introduce some windows, which will light up the stairway, which makes it feel much nicer and more inviting. And as we come through this hallway, to the right is another very large dining room, all open. We have an optional elevator right here. And as we enter to the left here, we have a coat closet and then a powder room tucked away here. Coming straight back, the nice thing is you see all the way through the family room through a set of glass doors. And as we come into the family room, we have a very large family room and a bank of built-ins here with a big fireplace, which is centered right on the island. And then we have a very large kitchen island and a space for a breakfast table. And then we have a bank of cabinets and appliances here, a coffee bar over on this section. And then we come through the mudroom, very large mudroom with a very large pantry, and then a good two-car garage. Now let's go up these stairs to the second floor. We come up the stairs, and as we come up the stairs, we come into the landing here. We have an optional, either could be a loft, or we could close this in and make it another room or a study. Really good size room. And then we have bedroom 4, bedroom 3, bedroom 2. Bedroom number 4 and number 3 share this bathroom. Really good size bedrooms. Bedroom 4 has a walk-in closet. Bedroom 3 has 2 large closets. And then we come to bedroom number 2 that has a nice size closet here, and then an ensuite bathroom right over here. The elevator would let me come back here. We have a little alcove here. You could put in a piece of furniture where we could do some built-ins. As we come over here, we have the elevator, the optional elevator, and then a very large laundry room. And then coming right back, we have the big primary suite, lots of glass back here, a huge closet with a ton of hanging space here. And then we have the tub with actually, this is just a wet room. So we were doing more of these lately, where we have a very large shower with windows in the shower and then a tub. So this whole area is wet. And then we have a commode, which is in a separate room, and then 2 sinks here. This floor is 1,946 square feet. That should be upper level, very large second floor. Let's go down to the basement level. So we come down basement level. We have a very large gym or an exercise room here. We have an optional wet bar over here. Elevator comes in here. And then it opens up to a very large rec room, and really nice because this is all glass. So the rec room in the lower level will not feel like a dark basement. And then we have this optional entrance with a double glass door outside. And then we have a 5th bedroom, very large guest bedroom, or it could be an office. And then or it could be a wine room. And then we have another full bath. And that is our quick tour of the Krieger model laid out on 4922 Earlston Road. If you have questions about this or you'd like to walk the lot, I will put a link somewhere on this site. And I enjoyed making this for you, and I hope to talk to you soon.